Knorr Professional Dry Mix Soups. Super hacks. Here's how to make an absolute classic, Knorr Professional Tomato Soup, and how to transform it into a rich, flavourful beef goulash. First, the soup. Place 2 litres of hot water in a large pot and whisk in 140 grams of Knorr Professional Tomato Soup Mix. Bring to the boil while stirring continuously, then simmer for 5 minutes. Simple as, and it's made with real ingredients, so it smells amazing and has that authentic, timeless flavour. Now let's use all that great flavour in our hearty beef goulash super hack. First, add oil to a large casserole dish. Brown your meats in batches and set aside. Then add onions, garlic, capsicums, carrots and mushrooms to the pan over a medium-low heat and cook for about 15 minutes or until softened. Add the beef back along with paprika and caraway seeds. Stir well. And here's the hack. Add Knorr Professional Tomato Soup Mix to create that strong, true tomato-based flavour. Plus, add a little Knorr Professional Beef Booster and a litre of water. Bring that all to the boil while you stir. Cover with a lid and transfer to the oven for 2 hours at 150 degrees until the beef is tender. Serve with a silky mash and garnish. A timeless classic made simple, but with an incredible depth of flavour.